In this video, I will show you how to add a timeline to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Now that we are signed up to Elfsight, we have access to all of the widgets that come with Elfsight, and there is a lot of these, so you might even want to play around with a few once we have added the timeline. But to add the timeline, rather than scrolling through and trying to find this, the easiest way to do it is to come to the top in this search widgets bar and simply search for timeline. Right here, we can see the timeline widget, so we can go ahead and click into this. And now it's going to ask us to choose which template we would like to use. So you can flick through, there's a bunch of different templates in here: wedding timeline, travel itinerary, a fitness journey, moving timeline, any of these other options. So we can choose one of these templates and click on continue. In here, we can then add in all of the events. So we can either click in and we can just edit the events that are already in there and just change these to be the events that you would like to add. So we can add the title, a description, an image, a label. So this is usually the date. We can then add a marker title, the marker text, and a full description right here in case they click learn more and they get brought to this area. So we can go in and add in all of the events that we would like to add in. And once all of these events have been added, we can then go down to the layout and we can choose which layout we would like to use. Like we can have a carousel, we can go for a slider, we can go for a snap scroll left, a snap scroll right, or a story like this. I'm going to go with the carousel. I think this looks pretty awesome. We can then choose the marker style right here at the bottom, and we can add a widget title as well. We can then go down to the theme and we can choose which theme we would like to use. And we can also change the accent color as well. So you can choose the color that fits your website. I'm going to go for blue. And once you have your timeline, you have everything added in, and this now looks how you would like it to look. All we then have to do is click on publish in this top right corner. And Elfsight is going to take us over to this page where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that you go for depends on how many monthly website views your website gets. We can see different plans correspond to different amounts of monthly website views. Or alternatively, Elfsight also has this free plan for if you have a smaller website or if you just want to test Elfsight out. Once you have chosen your plan, Elfsight is then going to take us over to this page and it's going to give us a piece of code. And this code right here is how we are going to embed the timeline onto our WordPress website. So all we need to do is click on copy code. Then we can go over to our WordPress website, of course, open up the editor, and then we just want to scroll down till we find where we want to add this widget. I'm going to add mine right here. And then all we need to do is click on this plus icon. In this search bar, search for HTML, and then we drag in this custom HTML, once again, where we want to add the timeline to our website. Then we just click in, paste in the code that we just copied, and we now have everything set up. So in the editor, this is always going to show up as code, but on the actual website, this is not going to be visible and it's going to be replaced with the timeline. So to show you this, we can go ahead and save and then open up a website preview. And from here, we can now scroll down. And just like this, the timeline widget is now added to our WordPress website.